From initial contact right up until the very end, Art of Multimedia was critical in the development of Pixie. What I thought would be a simple app to develop turned out to be a highly technical one, and Art of Multimedia was very, very careful in making sure that they understood the concepts behind what I was trying to achieve. They were able to translate a lot of the technical jargon into language that I could understand, so that I now have a meaningful understanding of how Pixie works, which will be absolutely crucial for the integration of different ideas and future versions of Pixie. It's one thing to have something made for you, but to not be able to understand what's going on behind the scenes, I think really limits your ability to creatively take forward the technology into something completely new. For anyone who's got a great idea for an app, I think the single best advice I could give is to find a developing company that you can work with, that has a collaborative spirit, that has creative and technical talents, but that are also willing to understand what your vision is and help guide you to that if you don't have expertise in that field. And Art of Multimedia were all of these things and more in the development of Pixie. I think having a great idea is the first step and perhaps one of the most difficult steps, but following through and finding the passion, finding the drive, and finding the people to work with is critical for the success.